Hello friends. So in this video we are going to cover the custom type declaration and the receiver function in Golang with example. So so the receiver first let's talk about the custom type. So at the in my previous video we already discussed about the custom type. The custom type you can also say is the custom data type. Like we have int, float, string, etc. So in Go language we can also create our custom data type, and using that data type we can restrict the function to function receiver function to return the output in specify data type. Fine. So पहला कि custom type declaration in Go. Custom type or custom data type. uh, so in C, PHP, Python we have a different data type like integer, float, string, etc. In Go we have a these all basic data type, but apart from this in Go we have a ability to create the our own new data type. So to syntax to create our own new data type is something like this. Type deck slice of string. So deck is the slice of string data type. Fine. And now if we need to define the value, some value like cards, so here we can define deck A, B, C. And if we so there is a lot of benefit to use the custom data type, which we'll discuss uh, later in this section. uh, the next is the receiver function in Go. So here with the use of Golang receiver function you don't have to mess around the classes or deal with inheritance. Go is a very similar to C due to the presence of pointer, static typing, and many another things. But Go is the modern language. So Go is the modern language, and so it has many new feature packed and in it, and function receiver is one of the. So receiver function is the very useful, and so it's simple. The Go is the new language. So when any new language is coming, so there is a lot of new feature. So function receiver is one of that feature in Go. Go is not a object oriented programming language. So in many interview The interviewer asks, go is the program object oriented language or not? So if you search the same thing over the internet, you find the answer yes and no everywhere, but according to me it's not, because the inheritance in Go supported in different manner, the approach of data type, the approach of class, the static data, a lot of things uh, are different from the object oriented approach. So I already created one video that is object oriented approach versus Go approach, so you can watch my that video to understand uh, about the deeply concept of object oriented and Go approach. So function receiver is a set a method on the variable that we created. Function receiver set a method on the variable that we created. This seem worry at first time. So if you are reading the definition, you are bit worry कि अभी भैया रिसीवर क्या है, फंक्शन क्या है, तो नो इशू, वी विल when I show you the example you will be 100% clear about this thing. So first receiver function. रिसीवर फंक्शन जब कोई पढ़ता है, जैसे आप फंक्शन इज़ यूज टू फंक्शन हमने डिफाइन किया, उसे कॉल करते हैं। जहाँ कॉल करते हैं जो भी फंक्शन के अंदर चीज़ पैरामीटर हमने आर्गूमेंट पास किया तो गया वापस उसे आउटपुट आइटरेट किया, जो भी ऑपरेशन करना है ब्लॉक में किया एंड रिटर्न द आउटपुट और टू द रिटर्न द आउटपुट। सो रिसीवर फंक्शन क्या हो रहा है, नाम रिसीव फंक्शन यानी फंक्शन द block of statement, fine. Receiver function, that means when we call it receive something and then it return. So let me show you the example. So basically this is the basic example of the receiver function. So forget about ddec. So suppose we have any function print w and we write something, and if from anywhere if we call print w, so this function is received. We don't have any name of the function. So this is the way to define the function. This is the receiver name. This is the, so print w is the receiver function name. Go में क्या होता है, normally we can, how we can define the function, func and print w this that, right? This is the basic, this is the function. एंड द रिसीवर फंक्शन में क्या होता है, ये हमारा डेटा टाइप है, कस्टम डेटा टाइप जो हमने डिफाइन किया था, और ये हमारा वेरिएबल है जो आर्गूमेंट, यू कैन से द आर्गूमेंट, ये हमारा आर्गूमेंट है, ये हमारा डेटा टाइप है और ये हमारा रिसीवर फंक्शन नेम है। तो अगर हम लोग इसे डिटेल एग्जांपल से करेंगे तो वहाँ ज़्यादा हमारा क्लियर होगा। तो सबसे पहले यहाँ जाते हैं और इसको देखते हैं। तो ये एक बेसिक प्रोग्राम है जिसमें हमने पैकेज मेन, इंपोर्ट एफएमटी, फंक्शन, कस्टम टाइप डिक्लेरेशन, अभी उड़ा दो इसे, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है। द नेक्स्ट इज हमने एक कार्ड वेरिएबल लिया, वो है स्लाइस ऑफ स्ट्रिंग, और उसके अंदर हमने एक वैल्यू लिया, न्यू कार्ड लिया, उसको न्यू कार्ड से हमारा रिटर्न हुआ 2। थर्ड हमने एक अपेंड किया वेरिएबल कार्ड्स में 6 ऑफ स्पाइस, यानी एक कार्ड के अंदर हमारा 3 वेरिएबल है। सो इसको हमने प्रिंट किया, आई कार्ड दिस एंड लेट्स प्रिंट इट। तो इट विल जस्ट शो द 0, एस ऑफ डायमंड, 1 एंड 2, फाइन, इट्स वेरी क्लियर। अब हम इस फंक्शन को कन्वर्ट करते हैं डेक टाइप से। तो डेक टाइप हमने एक नया फाइल बनाया, ठीक है, वहाँ हमने एक टाइप मेन लिया, एफएमटी लिया, वहाँ हमने एक टाइप डिक्लेयर किया है, टाइप डेक स्ट्रिंग, स्लाइस ऑफ स्ट्रिंग, फाइन, टाइप। सो द डेक इज द न्यू कस्टम डेटा टाइप दैट इज द स्लाइस ऑफ स्ट्रिंग। रिसीवर मेन फंक्शन में डी डेक और print w, instead of print w you can also write print, fine. So print is the receiver function now, And here we are I iterate the for loop I card range d. The d is here the argument or the value we are passing, we are sending to the receiver, d, and this is so in this function you are a bit worried about d. So deck is our custom data type, that is the, so when we pass the d, it must be slice of string. So this is the value, this is the our custom data type. So if we pass any another value or any another thing in d, so it will throw the error. So our d value must be a type of slice type of string. And in main go, so here currently we are defining slice of string, we can remove this and easily write deck first, and here we can remove this all and just call cards dot print, print, that's it, that's it. So you can see, so cards deck, so cards is come inside the d, deck is the data type, so cards value must be the slice of string data type, and the print is the receiver function. So here we define cards dot print, and how we can call main, and if we directly call main dot go, then it's throwing the error undefined deck main dot deck dot go. You can see 0, we are getting the same input. So इसमें जो ये आप कस्टम डेटा टाइप हो गया गो में, ये होपफुली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. So we can make it more complex, we can make it we can use it based on our requirement in the multiple way. And this is the receiver function. So hope you will be you understand the custom data type, and second one is the receiver function in Go language. If you have any doubt or you want to learn more about the receiver function or data type, custom data type in the Go language, you can write a comment, I will reply. Thank you.